What's up guys, it's Asish from MyBuddies23 and today we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I pre-ordered this last week and it just arrived in the mail today. This is in the ocean blue color with 128GB of storage and 6GB of RAM. With that being said, let's jump right into the box. There's a tape right here, so I'm going to cut it off with my box cutter. I got this phone from T-Mobile. It was $1,000 plus tax, so approximately $1,090. It has these purple magenta accents because those are T-Mobile's colors. Inside the box we have the phone, the Note 9, in its Samsung box, and of course it has the S Pen, the most famous part of this phone. On the back it has the specifications and what comes inside the box. As you can see here, it comes with the phone, the S Pen, the charger, the stereo headset, the connector, and just some paperwork like reference guides and in different languages. So let's open the box. Right here you can slide out the inner box from this shell, and inside it has the Samsung logo on the top instead of the S Pen. On the right side there's a tape which will cut off with the box cutter. After that, we can simply pry open the tab on the side and the box opens completely. Over here we have the pull tab, which inside, if I can get this open, it has a SIM toolkit to open the SIM card tray on the phone. And inside here they have the terms and conditions along with the quick start guide in multiple languages. So let's put that all to the side. Right here we have the Note 9, which if I can get out of the box, and we'll put that to the side for now while we open the rest of the stuff. Inside there's a T-Mobile SIM card along with some serial number and some other stuff. I already have a SIM card, so I do not really need this. Inside we have the USB connector, which is always good to have if you want to connect like keyboards and mouses to your phone. Next we have the USB to wall adapter for fast charging to your Note 9. Inside this flap we have the USB-C to USB-A connector that connects to the wall charger to charge the phone. And next we have the AKG earbuds, the so-called $100 Samsung earbuds. Then we have some extra earbuds. This tool is really useful for getting out the S Pen if it's stuck inside the phone, which is always good to have in case the S Pen gets stuck. And here is the $1,000 phone, and with most smartphones I review, I take the front cover off immediately. And let's just power it on. The phone is powering on, and what I can tell so far is the back and the front are going to be extreme fingerprint magnets, so it'll be good to get a case on the phone. It also has a different looking back than the Note 8. It has two camera sensors and the blood pressure monitor, as well as the fingerprint sensor below it. Here is the startup. I'm going to set that up and be right back. The phone is now set up. It was a fairly swift process, and one thing I liked about it is the fingerprint sensor. In order to register your fingerprint, all you have to do is swipe down once on the fingerprint sensor and it registers your fingerprint, so you don't have to tap 5 individual times like on previous Samsung phones. You just have to swipe once and it's registered, and then you could just tap the fingerprint sensor to unlock your phone. Another feature I like about this phone is intelligent scan. It scans both your face and your eyes and unlocks the phone. It's a lot more convenient because the fingerprint sensor is a lot higher on the phone, so it's meant for bigger hands. So I'm used to clicking the home button, and there's that haptic feedback on the place where the home button is supposed to be. So once I press the home button, it automatically starts scanning my face and it unlocks within seconds, which is a lot more convenient than the fingerprint sensor, so I don't have to move my hands around as much. And now for the signature part of the Note 9, and one of the biggest differences between the Note 8 and the Note 9 is the S Pen. This year with the ocean blue colored Note 9, they have the yellow colored S Pen. And I really like this S Pen. I've been using it for a little while, and it's pretty responsive. It responds pretty fast, and I like the remote feature where you can just open your camera and take a picture with the S Pen. So it's good for selfies. You don't need like a selfie stick. And of course, you can customize these buttons in the S Pen settings. And for example, for camera, you can change what a single press does and what a double press does, which I feel is really useful. You can also change the settings inside the app. For example, the camera, press the air command, and at the bottom there's the actions that the S Pen can do. That's basically it for this video. If you liked it, leave a like down below, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.